Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it's been a really long time since I last did a makeup video. I think it's been like months since I've last done a like sit down with me and watch me do my makeup. But I wanted to do a summer makeup routine because it is summer, it's July, and I just think summer makeup routines are so much fun because, you know, summertime is when you get tan and you're in the sun a lot, and it's also the time when you really want to focus on having really hydrated and really glowing skin, and I just like love that whole look, that like bronze glowy look. So I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing recently with my makeup routine. I don't know if you can tell, probably not because the lights are so bright in my face, but I have gotten a little bit tanner than I usually am. So my makeup routine has changed pretty dramatically since the last time I did a makeup video. So I really try not to wear makeup too much in the summer. I actually really don't. Like when I go to work during the week, I literally wear no makeup except mascara and like my eyebrows. I do my eyebrows, but other than that, like my face is naturally tan, so I really don't even need foundation or all that extra stuff. But you know, for when I want to go out at night, or you know, when I actually do want to put makeup on, I do have a routine that is like not heavy coverage makeup because it's hot, you're sweating, you don't want to wear heavy coverage makeup, or at least I don't. So I'll just stop talking and I'll get into my makeup look. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, then like and subscribe, and let's get into the makeup look. So the first thing I want to do after I clean my face is to obviously moisturize, and I've been using a couple of products to moisturize my face. The first one I use is Grace and Stella's spray, all day spray. I do this before I put on like any moisturizer because this like makes your skin hydrated. It kind of helps, you know, hydrate your face before you like even apply moisturizer, so it's like that double hydration. So just spray this all over my face, and I kind of use it excessively. So next is a product that I am loving so much. I just started using it, and it's Herbivores Emerald Hydrating Glow Oil, I believe is what it's called. It's a cannabis sativa hemp. It's hemp oil. Hemp oils and like CBD products are like super popular these days, so I wanted to try this one and I love it so much. So I just take a couple drops and put it into my hand, and we're gonna rub it in. So at nighttime, when I put this on, I use 10 drops, like super excessive because I'm sleeping in it and I want my face to soak it in overnight. But during the day, I'd use like maybe 4 or 5 drops, not too much. So after my face, I'm gonna moisturize my lips. I'm using this lip sleeping mask that I also just recently started using, and it is so amazing. I have super dry lips in the fall, in the winter, in the summer, all year long. And this stuff is really good. So in the summer, I skipped the primer, and recently I've been using Milani's Soft Focus Glow. This is in the color 02 Golden Glow, and this one, it says, get a dewy, radiant glow with this weightless, mineral-based luminizer with soft focus, pearl pigments to revive, perfect, and smooth the appearance of the skin. So I just put this under my foundation, and it just helps give that extra glow. I don't know if you can tell already, but my face is pretty like glowy already. It's obviously very hydrated. So I'm just gonna let this set into my skin for a couple minutes before I apply foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using 2 different foundations because, like I said, my face skin is a little bit tanner than usual, so I have to mix a couple to get that color. But I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Foundation in the color 300, and then I'm also going to be using Estee Lauder's Double Wear Foundation, and this color is in Wheat. Next, I'm using Nars' Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Custard. I'm gonna set my eyes and my face with Laura Mercier's Translucent Powder. This is like my go-to. I've used this in literally probably every single makeup video I have done. Kind of just go over my T-zone also. So in the summer, I don't contour my face. I feel like that's just an extra layer of makeup that I don't need. So I'm just going to bronze my face, and I use Tarte's Park Avenue Princess, my go-to. The only thing I like to contour though sometimes is my nose, just because I feel like I need to give my nose more shape. So that's the only thing I do, but I use Fenty Beauty's Matchstick in the color Mocha. For blush in the summer, I like to use really bright and corally colors as opposed to kind of more darker and neutral tones in the winter and fall. So for blush, I'm using Milani's Powder Blush. This is in the color Coral Cove. So for my highlighter, I have to go with my all-time favorite, and I'm gonna use Anastasia's Glow Kit. I literally have tried so many highlighters, but I keep going back to this one because it's just so great. And I will be using the color Moonstone, which is this like kind of more coppery color down here. Let it glow, let it glow, let it glow. All right, so honestly, we're almost about finished. Like honestly, that's pretty much all I do. All I'm gonna do next is do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow, just add a little bit of eyeshadow, and then I'll add mascara. I don't add any eyeliner in the summer or the like winged liner because that just will sweat right off. So I'm just gonna finish up and we're almost done. As you can tell, I use no other colors in this palette except this one right here, so that's the color I'm going to use all over my lid. To highlight my inner tear duct and my brow bone, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Kilowatt, and I'm going to use the infamous Trophy Wife. Isn't that so great? I think I said I was gonna use that color for my brow bone. I lied. I'm gonna be using Fire Crystal. It's another Kilowatt highlighter by Fenty Beauty. Last, for my eyes, I'm just going to apply some mascara, and I use Too Faced Better Than Sex. Honestly, I really am thinking about getting eyelash extensions. Has anyone ever gotten eyelash extensions? I'm pretty sure there's a handful of you out there that have them. Do you like them? Are they worth the money? And is it worth the maintenance? Because you have to maintain them, and it costs a lot of money to maintain them. Can someone please tell me in the comments if it's worth it? Because I seriously am debating it. Because honestly, when I go to work, the only makeup I really put on my eyes is mascara, just to make my eyes look wider and more awake. I feel like that's such a necessity. That's the only thing I care about in terms of makeup is mascara and lashes. So yeah, can someone let me know if they're worth it? Because I really am going back and forth, and I feel like once I get them, I'm gonna want to keep getting them and want to keep getting them maintained, and that's gonna be so expensive. I don't know, I'm still kind of iffy. Of course everyone loves them, they obviously look beautiful, but my concern is just maintaining them, the amount of effort that costs and the actual cost. So that's it for my face. I'm just gonna apply some lipstick, and I've been using this combo recently. I recently got these lipsticks from Kim Kardashian's KKW Beauty line, and it is the nude collection. So I have the colors nude 1.5 and nude 2.5, and I'll show you guys what they look like. I actually really like them. I think the quality of it is really good. The colors of it are okay, but I can't really use them alone. I have to combine them together for it to look right with my skin. My skin is kind of weird. With each of them separately. I couldn't get that sentence out. So this one right here is 1.5, this is 2.5. So this one obviously is more nude, and the other one is a little bit more orangey tone, so I have to wear them together. Oh, I'm gonna line my lips. I'm going to be using MAC's Strip Down liner. Just a little bit of that. And then a little bit of the 2.5. So lastly, I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to be using the same rose spray, the Grace and Stella spray, because this is good for before your makeup, and then also it can be used as a setting spray. So I like this one because, again, it provides hydration, so it'll keep your face not only, you know, keep all your makeup on, but it'll also keep your face looking hydrated. All right, guys, so that's it for my final look. I hope you guys like this look. This is just my take on, you know, getting glowy, hydrating skin. I know there's a lot of different products out there that you can use in so many different makeup routines, but this is just the products that I have found that I love, and I just wanted to share these products with you guys. So I will link all the products that I use in my description in case you guys are interested in checking them out. I hope you guys are all having an amazing summer. I hope you guys are staying cool because it is hot AF out here. It's really global warming and we're going through a heat wave in this country. Also, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to you guys because I recently hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, and as I'm saying those words, like, I can't even believe that that's actually a thing. Like, I can't believe that you know, that this channel gained many followers and views, and I can never say enough how appreciative I am of all of my viewers and my subscribers. And I see you guys commenting. A lot of you have been with me since day one, and day one for me was September of last year. So it's only been like, like 7 months? I can't do the math right now, but a lot of you guys have been with me since the beginning. Thank you for sticking with me throughout my time here on YouTube, and I'm not going anywhere. I love making videos and I love talking to you guys and connecting with you guys and just sharing, you know, my life with you all and inspiring others. I love getting messages from you guys and, you know, talking to you guys. So guys, let me know in the comments what type of videos you want to see. I know my what I eat in a day videos used to be really popular. My like weight loss and health journey videos were really popular as well. I haven't really done one in a while, so if you guys are interested in seeing those again, let me know. If you're interested in seeing like try on hauls, let me know. My routine videos, like anything you guys are interested in seeing, let me know, because I want to make videos that you guys like and you guys will be interested in. So just, yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next video.